Who knows how people will react to a first contact with aliens or a second coming of Christ, since neither has ever happened.
Bitcoin creator Satoshi Nakamoto could be unmasked at Florida trial.
While many people have sought to discover Nakamoto's genuine identity, it appears that the crypto community still lacks a definite solution. Theories range from the late computer scientist Hal Finney to cryptographer Adam Back, based on early communications. The definitive identity of Bitcoin's anonymous creator, Satoshi Nakamoto, however, still remains a mystery. Would it change the public's view of Bitcoin, as well as its price, if Nakamoto's identity was discovered?
If you knew who was really behind Bitcoin, you would run as fast as you fucking could to sell it. I know. 100%. If you knew who owned Bitcoin or who started Bitcoin, you had Bitcoin, you couldn't sleep at night. I know. 100%. And when the real founder of Bitcoin comes out, it is my humble opinion, and there's nothing humble about me, Bitcoin will go to fucking zero.
Exchange of cryptocurrencies. In its initial public offering paperwork, Coinbase warned that if the name of Bitcoin's secret creator, Satoshi Nakamoto, is disclosed, the Bitcoin and Ethereum market might suffer. The price of a Bitcoin has reached new all-time highs, with the market worth of Bitcoin exceeding $1 trillion. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency founded in 2009 by an unknown person or group of people going by the moniker Satoshi Nakamoto. Coinbase also stated that identifying the unknown inventor might have an impact on its company and cause Bitcoin and Ethereum prices to fall in the cryptocurrency market. Once Satoshi's identity is revealed, a variety of events are possible. One is that Satoshi controls 1.1 million bitcoins, or around 5% of the total quantity. If Satoshi decides to sell those 1.1 million coins, the cryptocurrency market as a whole will crash. If he has already died, the world will realize that those bitcoins will be inaccessible in perpetuity. As a result, unveiling the face behind Bitcoin will not benefit the digital currency market in any way. Charlie Lee, creator of the multi-billion-dollar market cap crypto asset Litecoin, said he does not think the publication of Nakamoto's true identity would have much effect on the crypto space.
If we find out who Satoshi is, it won't affect Bitcoin as a whole much at all, though there's definitely some mystique not knowing who Satoshi is.
Lee told Benjamin in a direct message. It's such an interesting and compelling story, he added.
So on one hand, I hope we never find out, but on the other hand, I would love to know.
To be honest, it appears that Mr. Lee is concerned about what would happen if we discover Satoshi Nakamoto's genuine identity. Aside from the sale of Nakamoto's massive Bitcoin holdings, Lee said he thinks the big reveal would not dramatically impact Bitcoin's price. Even the sale of Nakamoto's holdings, however, would only cause a temporary market reaction. Lee said he does not know who lies behind the Satoshi Nakamoto pseudonym, adding,
"But even if I did, I wouldn't tell you."
That sounded sketchy to me, Mr. Lee.
Can I say something about this story? I think it is utterly fascinating that we don't know the creator of Bitcoin. Because if you are involved in that world where you are creating a currency, you're in the finance world. You're interested in making money, all right? You're driven by that. And this is just sitting here. No one knows. Either the person's dead, right? Or what could possibly be the motivation for us not knowing who this is? And what happens when this is 740 billion or 200 billion or something like that? It's 74 billion right now. If we were talking about this story at the beginning of the year, it would have been way less than that. But that's a lot of money sitting on the table. That's not going to be the first lawsuit.
Don Vase, derivatives trader, YouTube content creator and organizer of the Financial Summit, also said he does not think a present-day Nakamoto reveal would significantly impact Bitcoin's price or people's view of the asset. The next day he would get 100 phone calls from very high net worth investors and hedge funds looking to buy it directly from him, so that it will not affect the price and potentially damage their current positions, Vase noted. Massive sums of Bitcoin are often not available on exchange order books at the asset's going market prices. Buying a large quantity of the asset on exchanges might thus raise the price of Bitcoin as the interested entity purchases all of the available Bitcoin on the exchange, paying a greater price after purchasing all of the BTC at the prevailing rate. Buying over the counter from these exchange order books allows parties to obtain a large quantity of the asset at a single price. According to Vase, numerous wealthy entities may contact Nakamoto and request that he buy Bitcoin from him directly, in bulk, at a single price point, off of exchange order books. As suspicions about Nakamoto's identity continue to circulate, only time will tell how the market will react if the cloaked and mysterious figure's identity is finally revealed.
I've heard you say if you knew who was behind Bitcoin, you'd run like crazy.
No, if everybody knew who was really behind Bitcoin, it'd go to zero.
However, tell us in the comments section below, what do you think will happen to Bitcoin price if Satoshi's identity is revealed or they find out is no longer alive? You got this far.
Yes.
How?
He is the one.
Thank you for watching. Please like the video, it helps with the YouTube algorithm, and comment which business, investing or money myth you want us to smash. Thank you very much for watching, see you in the next video.